everyone, welcome to the English class. If you haven't checked yet our previous lesson, the link is in the description below. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Bienvenue dans la classe anglais. Si vous pouvez regarder le leçon que nous avons lagué pour dernièrement, vous avez le link là dans la description qui en bas. Our lesson for today is diphthong. Le son que nous gagnons pour aujourd'hui, c'est diphthong. What is a diphthong? Diphthong comes from a Greek word diphthongos, which means two vowel sounds in one syllable. Qui ça diphthong? Diphthong, c'est là où prend deux voyelles, deux sons voyelles, ou mettez l'ensemble dans une syllabe. Il vient par une seule syllabe. En créole, nous gagnons diphthong. En anglais, nous gagnons diphthong. We have diphthongs in Creole, in English as well. Nous gagnons diphthong en créole. Par exemple, si on dit bagay, ay. Si on dit par exemple l'obey, ay, ça c'est diphthong. Today we are going to learn diphthongs in English. We are going to learn 3 of the most common diphthongs in English. Jeudi, nous allons étudier ensemble 3 diphthongs qui pi populaires yo. The first one is A. A. As you can see, there is a movement in my mouth. A. A. Down and up. Jean Kaweli, il y a un mouvement que bouche moi fait, sorti en bas pour monter pour dire A. A. That's the first diphthong. Now, I'm going to give you a few examples and I want you to repeat after me. I'm going to give you a few examples and I want you to repeat after me. Moi parle ba ou quelques exemples et moi ta vle que vous répétez après moi. They, say, play, came, translation, imagination. Now, let's make a sentence. Yesterday, I came to play. Once again, yesterday, I came to play. Now, can you repeat by yourself? Can you say it by yourself? Est-ce qu'on peut dire pour compte? The second diphthong is oi. Deuxième diphthong que nous allons étudier ensemble jeudi, c'est oi. Oi. Let me give you a few examples. Boy, toy, avoid, avoid, noise, noise, annoy, annoy, oil, oil. Now, let's make a sentence. On nous fait une phrase ensemble. Avoid to spread the oil on the boy's toy. Can you repeat after me? Avoid to spread the oil on the boy's toy. Let me hear you. Okay, the third one is I. Troisième diphthong que nous avons étudié, c'est I. Let me give you some examples. Bike, bike. I. Child. Style. Cycle. Now, let's make a sentence. I admire the style of this bike. Can you say it loudly? Est-ce qu'on peut répéter bien fort? I admire the style of this bike. Good. You sounds very good. Okay, now let's apply them in one sentence. Let's have the 3 syllables in one sentence. Kounya, on nous appliquer 3 syllabes sa yo dans une seule phrase. Are you ready? You're going to repeat after me. On va répéter après. Yesterday, the boy came to admire the style of the child. He inspired me. Once again, yesterday, the boy came to admire the style of the child. He inspired me. Yesterday, the boy came to admire the style of the child. He inspired me. Can you now try it by yourself? Go. That's wonderful. You did a very good job. Congratulations. Ou font bon travail. Ou sonnez très très bien. That's all we have for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to give the thumbs up, to subscribe so you won't miss any lesson, and leave me a comment below. C'est tout ça que j'ai pour aujourd'hui. Pas oublier soutenir mes leçons, ban moi un like. Pas oublier abonner avec channel là pour pas rater leçon et quitter un commentaire en bas. Before you go, choose to smile, choose to love, and choose to be happy. See you next week.